majority want A. A plus pun banyak. So guys, if you guys want A plus, A minus, kena buat apa guys? What you guys must do? If you want to get A minus, A plus, and maths, what should you do? Selalunya benda sama saja. Yes. Okay, latihan. Okay, buat banyak latihan. Okay, nothing else. Okay, then you guys can see the improvement. Because banyak orang juga tanya saya, let's say I am credit now. Boleh tak? Sorry, bukan. Saya gagal trial. Ataupun sangat lemah lah trial for admits. So, mereka tanya, boleh tak nak dapat kredit ataupun dapat A? Jawapan saya apa? Boleh. Okay, can. Walaupun trial gagal, admits, still no problem. You guys can still go to A or credit or B also can. So depend on how much effort you guys put lah. Bergantung kepada usaha saja. Okay? Alright. So now we start. Okay, so first question guys. So first question is talking on function. Fungsi. Okay, your form 4 chapter 1. Okay, so for this question, fx, gx. Okay, sudah diberi. So they want you to find gf10. Kena cari fungsi gubahan gf10. So guys, 10 ni merujuk kepada apa? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Number 10. What does it refer? Okay, sama? The rest? 10 ni merujuk kepada apa? What does 10 refer to? Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, x equal to 10. Correct. Yes, object guys. X is always object. Y is always image. Okay, kena ingat yang tu. Alright. Okay, so now GF X. So guys, kalau saya nak cari GFX, mana kena datang dulu? Which one should I do first? F or G? Yes, very good. F okay, selalu dari kanan ke kiri. Okay, from the right to the left. Okay, so F first, then only G. Okay, maksudnya fungsi fx tu kamu ganti dalam gx. Okay, substitute fx inside gx. Okay, actually kamu gantikan dalam sebutan x bagi fungsi gx. Okay, you just substitute inside the x term only. Okay, then you can find the answer. Okay, so how do we solve? Okay, so gfx equal to g, okay, fx, x minus 5. Okay, and then continue. Okay, now you must substitute inside g. Gantikan dalam g. So you will have 2 over x minus 5. Kamu kena ingat guys. This one is now your x. X equal to x minus 5. So mana kamu nampak x? Ganti x tolak 5. Faham tak? Okay, wherever you see the x, you put in x minus 5. Okay, x minus 5. And then minus 1. Okay, so answer is 2 over x minus 6. Okay, so is this the final answer guys? Adakah ini jawapan akhir? Okay, very good. Okay, so what must you do now? Kena buat apa? Yes, very good. Substitute the 10. Okay, gantikan 10 dalam x. Okay, so what is your answer guys? May I know? Apa jawapan? Yes, very good. Okay, it's 1 over 2. Final answer. Okay, so you write GF10 equal to 1 over 2. Okay, 1 per 2. So you guys can see the working over here. Okay, you will get something like this. Okay, so make sure kamu tunjukkanlah penggantian 10 ke dalam. You must show the substitution of 10, then you get 1 mark. Okay, second mark, final answer. Jawapan akhir. Okay, alright. So now, question B. Okay, so for question B, kx, y sama dengan kx. Okay, so hx is an inverse function for kx. Okay, hx ni adalah songsangan kx. So guys, when they say songsangan, what is the relationship? Can you all tell me? Apa hubungan antara hx dan kx? Soalan penting. What is the relationship between hx and kx? Since they say it is an inverse function. Actually got, but it's not really called as extra class lah. It's more on what to say, last minute already lah. Got, still got, but it's not called as extra class. It's just called as last minute class. That's why I say last extra class. Do one lah before exam. Yeah, 1-to-1. Not really. Guys, I want to ask you the relationship in terms of the graph. Can you describe to me how the graph look like? Because the question talking about graph, right? So graph hx dan kx. Apa hubungan dua-dua graph ni? What is the relationship? So what is the major difference between these two graphs? Symmetry at y equal to x. Yes, correct. Okay, the answer is these two graphs is actually a reflection. Okay, pantulan pada garis y sama dengan x. Okay, you must understand guys, these two graphs is a reflection in y equal to x. Do you understand? Masih ingat tak guys yang ni? Do you all still remember? Okay, if inverse function and normal function, it is always reflection, pantulan. Okay, pada garis y equal to x. Okay, so now, let me see. Okay, so hx, okay, they already draw for you the graph. Okay, mereka dah lukis guys. So now, how do I draw for, what is it? hx. So macam mana saya lukis guys untuk hx? Cuba bagi tahu kat saya. Macam mana nak lukis graph hx? Yes, very good. Okay, first step, you draw y equal to x. Okay, so y equal to x. Usually, right, guys, if axis of symmetry, we will always use dotted line. Okay, garis putus-putus. Kalau dia adalah paksi simetri. Faham? Jangan guna garis padu, kena guna garis putus-putus. Okay, don't do solid line. Always axis is dotted line. Okay, so now, how will the reflected graph look like? Can you all describe? Macam mana graph yang terpantul tu nampak? Yes, correct. Okay, so you can assume y equal to x is like a mirror. Betul. Okay, dia macam cermin guys. So how do you reflect? Okay, so when you reflect, this point over here will become this point over here. Okay, dia adalah titik dan nilai yang sama. So means that the distance is the same lah. Okay, jarak dua-dua ni sama. So you just need to draw up lah. Okay, lukis ke atas. Macam ni, wait Okay, yeah, this is correct. Okay, so now you see ya guys, kamu bandingkan. Kedua-dua jarak ni kena sama. Okay, every single distance will be the same one. This is what you call as reflection, pantulan. Do you understand? So initially P0, after reflection 0P. Coordinate dia akan tertukar kedudukan. X and Y coordinate change position. Okay, are you clear guys? How to draw this graph? Boleh dapat konsep dia? Can Okay, so now they ask you state the domain of hx. Okay, so apa domain guys? Okay, this is hx. So domain bagi fungsi songsang sama dengan apa? Kamu kena fikir. The domain for an inverse function is equal to what? You guys learn this. There's a relationship over here. So anyone? Boleh bagi tahu domain for hx? Sangat senang. Very simple. Kamu lihat graph pun kamu boleh tahu guys. Domain untuk hx. Just see the graph. No need to susah hati. Rujuk graph ni saja. You will get the answer one. So what is the domain? Codomain of kx. Yes, betul. Ataupun kamu boleh cakap julat lah. Julat kx sama dengan domain hx. Yes, the answer is x greater than or equal to 0. Okay, can you see guys? Your domain for hx is this one, right? Dia mula kat kosong kan? It start from 0. But is there any limit guys? Ada apa-apa had tak? Sampai ke kanan? Tak ada kan? That's why kita tulis x lebih besar atau sama dengan kosong lah. Maksudnya, dia boleh sampai ke infinity. Okay, it can go until infinity. The answer. Okay, are you clear guys? Boleh dapat soalan B1? Any problem? Clear? Okay, so this is how you guys can score. So this question is 3 marks. So, sebab dia tanya domain guys. Domain, you must remember that you must give your answer in range. Kena bagi dalam bentuk ketaksaman atau julat. Kena guna simbol tu. Okay? You must always write inequality for domain and range. Okay, clear guys? Melainkan kalau kamu ada nilai-nilai tetap lah yang sudah diberi. Okay, tapi dalam soalan ni tak ada nilai kan? There is no value at all. Soalan B ni. That's why kita terpaksa guna julat. Faham? Tapi kadang-kadang soalan akan bagi nilai tetap. Sometimes question got fixed value one. So if got fixed value, you just follow lah fixed value. Mungkin kadang-kadang dia suruh kamu senaraikan, list down. So listing maksudnya kamu tak perlu tulis julat lah. Maksudnya jumlah dia tak sangat banyak. The quantity for you to list down not so much. That's why they say can list down. Okay? Alright, so guys, how you score for your graph is basically the shape of the graph must be correct. 1 mark. Okay, lengkung tu kena betul. And second mark is this one. This must be correct. Titik ni kena betul. Okay? Guys, I ask you a kebat question here. Katakan saya lukis graph macam ni. Kamu kata kat saya betul atau tidak. Okay guys, let's say I put my P here lah. And then I draw my graph like this. Okay guys, kalau saya lukis graph macam ni betul ke tak? Is it correct? My graph? Let's say I draw like that in exam. Yes or no? Cuba fikir. Betul ke tak? Okay. Yes. Okay, it's not correct. Very good. Okay, so why not correct? Because you see the distance guys. Tengok jarak. Jarak tak sama kan? Dia sangat jelas tak sama. Tapi kamu jangan risau lah. As long kamu bagi jarak yang logik. Contoh macam skema ni. Okay, it look almost the same, right? Dia nampak macam sama kan? So betul dah. Tak perlu pergi ukur satu persatu, jangan. Okay, kamu buat saja lakaran. It's just a sketch. So sketch mean scale is not important. Skala tak penting. As long logic. Okay? Alright. So now, question B2. Okay, so Kx, this is the function. And then A8 lies on Hx. Okay guys. So now, A8 lies on Hx. So kamu boleh tanda lah. Okay, so Hx maybe this one. Okay, katakan titik ni adalah A8. Okay, so guys, for Kx, can you all tell me what will be this point? Anyone know? Kalau Kx, A8 ni jadi apa? Very good. Bagus. Means that you guys understand the concept. Kamu faham konsep fungsi songsang? Yes. The answer is just 8A. Tukar kedudukan X dan Y. Okay, because Y equal to X. So means that you can just switch the position. Boleh tukar kedudukan. Okay? So the answer is 8A. And then they ask you to express A in term of B. Kamu kena ungkapkan A dalam sebutan B. So now, you know X equal to 8, Y equal to A. So maksudnya, A equal to square root 8 minus B. Okay, saya gantikan sajalah. Substitute this point inside the equation. Sebab persamaan ni is for Kx. So that's why saya cari coordinate di atas lengkung Kx. Remember, any point on the curve, then only you can substitute on your equation. Tak boleh ganti titik yang bukan di atas lengkung tu dalam persamaan lengkung. Mesti di atas lengkung. Okay? So, then you just expand, kembangkan, and then A in term of B. So, A equal to square root 8 minus B. Okay? Faham guys? Do you understand how to get the answer? Clear? Soalan ni? Okay. So, this is the answer. Okay, so you have 2 marks. 2 markah yang ni. Okay, so final answer 1 mark. And the other mark is for your expansion, pengembangan persamaan tadi. Okay, so this is question 1. So guys, are you confident 7 marks, 7 markah ni boleh dapat kalau soalan keluar dalam SPM macam ni? 7 marks should be in your hand already lah if this kind of question SPM. Okay, next one. Question number 2. Okay, so question 2 is on coordinate geometry. Okay, easy also, tak susah. Usually this chapter it won't be hard. Okay, so yakin 7, bagus. Okay, so form 4, chapter 7. Okay, so this one, they're asking you to find the coordinate of C. Okay, kamu kena cari coordinate C. So guys, wait I will send later guys the file. Saya akan hantar yang ni. Okay, data I will share to you guys. If you guys want the file, you stay back lah until the end. Okay, then you can ask for me. Okay, boleh PM nombor saya kat akhir. Alright. It's hard to see the screen, that's why. Oh, the screen not clear, guys. Maybe you need to enlarge the screen. That's why. Because my side is clear lah. Okay, bagi saya dia nampak jelas. Okay. Alright. Kind of blur lah. Oh, I see. Never mind lah. Maybe because I zoom in too much. Oh, you use small phone, no wonder. Okay, okay. Okay, never mind lah. We try our best, okay, guys. Okay, so now for this question, coordinate of C. Okay, so first thing, you must see this information. The speed is 14 and 21. Okay, so mean Ahmad is 14, Chang 21. Okay, so now Ahmad 14, Chang 21. Okay, guys, when they say speed, right, what do you understand about this? Apa yang kamu boleh dapatkan bila mereka kata dua-dua laju ni? What is the info actually you get? Yes, very smart. They actually are talking about the ratio. Very smart. Okay, usually the question sometimes is not so direct. They won't say the ratio AB to BC is 14 to 21. They will tell you the speed. So it's just to confuse you all saja. Just to trick only. Okay, but don't get tricked. Okay, so you get the ratio. AB to BC, 14, 21. Okay, so now you want to find coordinate C. So this point is what we call as a divisor of line segment. Okay, pembahagi segmen garisan. Titik B ni lah. Okay, so guys, do you all still remember the formula for divisor of line segment? Do you all still get it? Actually, you don't need to memorize because it's in the front. If you forget also, just refer the front. Yeah, dia sudah diberi. So this is the formula. So you must apply this formula to solve the question. Okay, so guys, XY, kamu akan gantikan dengan koordinat mana for XY? Coordinate C, coordinate B, or coordinate A? For XY. Yes, very good. Okay, kamu akan gantikan titik B, guys. Always remember the XY is your divisor, pembahagi, garis. Okay, so you just sub for -1. Okay, all right, so now M and N. How do you identify M and N? Macam mana kamu boleh tentukan M dan N? Is it M equal 21, N equal 14, or M equal 14, N equal 21? Mana satu betul, guys? A or B? Which one is the correct answer? Okay, this is an important question, guys. Cuba jawab. A or B betul? Soalan ni penting. Which one is the correct ratio? Sama-sama, lagi orang, cuba. A or B? Which one is the correct answer? Okay, sama, lagi orang. Come on, you must try this. If I stop for some time, right, means it's an important question. Kalau saya henti macam ni, maksudnya soalan ni penting. So A or B, this question. Think carefully. Fikir betul-betul sebelum jawab. Which one is the correct ratio? Okay, so majority say B ya. Okay, so jawapan dia adalah, okay, the answer is actually A. Wait. I must use different color. The answer is A and B. Dua-dua betul, guys. Both is correct. It depends which one you want to use. Dia bergantung kepada mana yang kamu nak guna. Jangan kamu terperangkap dalam exam. Okay, whenever you're dealing with this formula, you can switch the value between M and N. Kamu boleh tertukar dua-dua nilai dia. Asalkan kamu guna rumus ni dengan betul saja. That's all. So don't think that M equal 21, N equal 14. Yang tu saja boleh. Salah. Wrong. Okay, M can also be 14, N can also be 21. Okay, B for both can. Where I said B is for both can, guys. B tu adalah pilihan jawapan. It's not B for both can. Okay, but since, okay lah, you can think as that way also. No problem. Okay, so now guys, let's say I assume lah, saya anggap M equal to 21, and n equal to 14. Okay, so I just substitute lah, gantikan saja. So m is 21, n is 14. So bawah 21 plus 14 lah. 21 plus 14, 21 plus 14. Okay, and then 21, and then n is 14. Okay, now guys, the important part is your x1 and y1. So guys, for x1, y1, how are you going to determine the value? mx2. Sana guys, wait for a while. So how do you all determine? Okay, we start with x1 lah guys. Kita mula dengan x1, okay? Ratio tak perlu simplify. Kekalkan saja, jangan simplify. Okay, maintain the ratio. Okay, because kamu kena guna rumus ni. Kalau dia tanya soalan nisbah AB kepada BC, macam tu saja, then kamu boleh simplify. Sama dengan 2 kepada 3. Okay, can. If the question asks you what is the ratio AB to BC, correct. This your answer. But now, soalan tanya, what is the coordinate of C? So jangan simplify kalau dia tanya macam ni. Okay? Alright. So now guys, X1. Can you all tell me the answer? What is your answer for X1? Kamu guna nilai lah yang saya bagi tahu tadi. Wait, let me wrap. So that easier. Okay. 14 point C, 21 point A. Okay, 14 start. Let me see. Yes, correct. Okay, guys, you must understand when using this method, you must use the concept of cross. Kamu kena silang nisbah dia. Means that 14, the ratio should go to point C. 21, the ratio should go to point A. Okay, so of course point C, you can give symbol lah, XY. Kamu katakan C sama dengan XY. Okay, so now you just need to substitute. Okay, gantikan saja. So 14, X1. So X1 is X. And then plus 21, X2. X2 is 8. So you get 8 over 21 plus 14. Okay, and then for Y. So 14, Y1. Y1 is Y. And then Y2, negative 5. Okay, so jawapan dia macam ni lah guys. Okay, do you all understand how to do it? Boleh faham konsep dia? So it's just cross lah. Silang saja. Okay, so you will get this formula. So kamu selesaikan for X and Y. Okay, so you should get X equal to negative 2, Y equal to 5. Okay, that's why this one is our answer. Okay, any problems? Apa-apa masalah soalan ni? Okay ya? Boleh? Okay, so next one. No need. Don't simplify. Because I think if you simplify, right, the answer might come different. Kalau kamu permudahkan, jawapan mungkin berbeza. Okay, because of the formula. Alright, so just maintain. Oh, still the same. Really? You tried already? Okay, if you tried means then okay lah. If in that case, then can. But schema, they just use the exact value lah. Okay, they never simplify for jawapan schema 21 and 14. Okay, but I think your answer still can lah. Okay, although the value is not in the schema, but final answer is still correct. Okay, all right. So now question B. Okay, so question B, they say a mosque is going to be built on Jalan Bakawali. When we can simplify, in admaths, usually you won't need to simplify because they will ask you coordinate. So if you want to simplify, just simplify. It depends on you actually. Bergantung kepada kehendak kamu. If you want to maintain, maintain. Depend on your preference. Okay? Can guys? Boleh? So you guys choose lah. Okay, so now question B. So question B, they are telling you a mosque is located at Jalan Bakawali. Okay, so where is it? Okay, they never tell anything. Tak bagi tahu apa-apa. Okay, continue. So they say road is parallel to AC. So guys, keyword parallel atau selari. So apa kita kena cari guys? What must we find when they say parallel to AC? Selari maksudnya? Yes, gradient lah. Okay, so you find the gradient of AC. Okay, so first step, cari kecerunan AC. So MAC. Okay, so XY, just now we got answer. Let me check and see. Answer -2 and 5. Okay, so you can find the gradient. So 5 minus -5 over -2 minus 8. Okay, so your answer akan dapat -1. Okay, MAC equal to -1. So means that the road, okay, kecerunan untuk jalan tu also is -1. Okay, and then they say it intersect the x-axis at x equal to 9. Okay, so guys, let me see. Okay, so a new pathway will be built connecting Moss and Ahmad's house. Okay, so they want you to check and see. Determine whether the pathway is the shortest. Nak tentukan laluan tu terpendek atau tidak. So guys, macam mana kita tahu dia adalah terpendek? Berdasarkan apa? How do we know it's the shortest? This is an important point. Anyone know? How to know it is the shortest? Think and see guys. Cuba fikir. Bukan? Not that one. Fikir lagi. Try to think and see. How to know whether it's the shortest pathway? Yes, correct guys. Okay, so guys, you must understand the concept. The concept is AC road. Okay, there is a road over here. Okay, this is the situation. Saya tengah gambarkan yang ni. Okay, and then they say they are parallel. These two. AC and road parallel. Okay, and then they say the mosque. Let's say the mosque is here lah. Masjid. Okay, atas jalan ni. Okay, and then what else? A new pathway connecting mosque and Ahmad's house. So mosque and Ahmad's house, this is Ahmad lah. A. So guys, how do you see shortest distance? This is 90 degree, right? 90 darjah. So guys, you check and see. Let's say I draw like this, or I draw like this. So guys, this one and this one, are they the shortest? Adakah mereka laluan terpendek? Yes or no? No, right? You can see clearly dia bukan terpendek. So yang ni saja adalah yang terpendek. This is the shortest you can go. Tak boleh pendek lagi. So that's why it must be perpendicular. Dia kena serenjang. So serenjang mean that M1, M2 equal to -1. So kamu kena buktikan yang ni lah guys. You must prove M1 times M2 sama dengan -1 for this question. Okay? Clear? Boleh dapatkan konsep dia. Okay, so now AC tadi kita dapatkan kecerunan -1. Okay, so maksudnya yang ni pun -1 lah. Okay, so now intersect the x-axis at x equal to 9. Dia silang paksi x pada 9. So guys, what is the coordinate? Can you all tell me? Silang paksi x pada 9. So what is the coordinate you can get? Yes, 90, right? Okay, because this is x-intercept. Okay, pintasan x, y equal to 0. Okay, so now 90 is somewhere here. Let's say katakan 90 kat sini. So guys, you can find the gradient, right? Of these 2 points. Cari kecerunan dua yang ni sama dengan -1. Boleh cari nilai h. So this is how you guys must think. Kena fikir macam ni. So now 0 minus -2. 0 minus -2 over 9 minus h equal to -1. Okay, so you can find the h value lah. Okay, so kalau kamu selesaikan, you should get h equal to 11. Okay, so this is your point now. So you have 11 -2 90. Okay, some more. We see some more. Baca lagi. Okay, so they say new pathway, mosque and Ahmad's house. Okay, so just now Ahmad's house, apa coordinate dia? 8, -5. Okay, and then the mosque, 11, -2. Okay, so kamu boleh carilah 8, 5, Ahmad, mosque, 11, -2. Cari kecerunan yang ni pula. Find this gradient. So you get 5 minus -2 over 8 minus 11. So the answer is, apa jawapan dia guys? Wait, did I do correct? Yeah. So what will you get? Sat. Bukan 5 guys. -5. Sorry. 8, negative 5. So negative. Okay, so you will get negative 3 over negative 3. So jawapan dia 1. So guys, 1 dan negatif 1 guys. Yang ni negatif 1, yang ni 1. So guys, serenjang ke tak? Are they perpendicular? Yes or no? MAC 1, MAM 1. So perpendicular lah. Okay, so kamu boleh tunjuk negative 1 times 1 equal to negative 1. So maksudnya serenjang. So maksudnya jarak terpendek. Okay, whenever is perpendicular is confirm shortest distance one. Dia macam fakta lah. Okay, it's a fact. So you guys can show this one. Tunjukkan yang ni. Okay, are you clear guys? Boleh dapat soalan kedua ni? Any problem? Clear? Okay, so next one. Soalan ketiga. Okay, so question 3 is on your quadratic form 4 chapter 2. Okay, so this one. Okay, first question, find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Okay, so alpha plus beta, apa rumus dia guys? Can you all type out for me? Or final answer also can lah. Kalau kamu ada jawapan akhir, boleh bagi tahu. Alpha plus beta. No, no, no. So far, yes. Okay, the correct answer is negative 7 over 2. Yes. Remember guys, the formula is negative B bahagi A. Okay, so B value, negative 7. A value, negative 2. Negative, negative potong. So answer is negative 7 over 2. Okay, so this is what we call as SOR or HTP dalam BM. Sum of root, hasil tambah punca. Okay, so now alpha beta, what is the answer guys? Yes, very good. Okay, the formula is C over A. So 5 over negative 2. So answer is negative 5 over 2. Okay, so this is what we call as POR or HDP. Product of root, hasil darab punca. Okay, are you clear? So this question very straightforward lah. Only 1 mark. 1 markah saja. So no need to show any working. Direct to the answer. Okay. Alright, so next one. They ask you to form the new equation. Okay, sekarang kamu kena bentuk persamaan baru. So guys, always use back just now answer. Guna jawapan tadi. Okay, it will be useful. So this is your 2 answer, right? So now, you want to form a new equation. So you need to find new SOR. Okay, cari HTP atau SOR baru. So alpha minus 3, sorry, plus beta plus 3. So alpha plus beta plus 6. So guys, the concept here is always we can substitute the answer here inside here. Okay, gantikan jawapan sebelumnya. So kamu nampak kan alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta. So what can I do? Substitute lah, gantikan nilai. So you can find the value. Okay, tekan calculator. 6 minus 7 over 2. So 5 over 2. Okay, this one is for SOR. Okay, so for POR, okay, POR saya tunjuk kat sini. Okay, so alpha plus 3, beta plus 3. Okay, so pengembangan lah. Alpha beta plus 3 alpha plus 3 beta plus 9. Okay, so guys, can you all see something over here? Boleh nampak satu perkara ni tak? This one. What can we do here guys? May I know? Kita boleh buat apa? 3 alpha plus 3 beta. Yes, factorize guys. Okay, why we factorize? Because kita nak gantikan guys dua information ni. Kalau kamu tak faktorkan, kamu tak dapat ganti yang ni. Lihat tak? Alpha beta boleh ganti, tapi yang ni tak boleh ganti. You cannot sub if you don't factorize. Okay? So now you can already sub lah. Okay, so when you sub, you will get something like this. Ini jalan kira dia. This is for POR or HDP. Okay, this one is for SOR, HTP. Okay, so guys, how do we form the new equation? Macam mana bentuk persamaan baru? Okay, you must remember this equation. Minus SORX plus, okay, ini formula dia lah, plus POR. or HDP equal to 0. Do you all remember this, guys? Ingat rumus yang ni? X square minus SORX plus POR equals 0. Very important. Okay, we will always use this formula when you are forming new equation. Selalu guna yang ni bila bentuk persamaan baru. Keyword dia persamaan baru. New equation. Okay, always this formula. Okay, so now just substitute lah. Okay, gantikan. So x square minus, okay, so SOL just now 5 over 2. So you put 5 over 2 x. So 5 over 2x plus, okay, POR, you can count lah. Press calculator. So minus 21 over 2 plus 9. Okay, so it's minus 4. Tolak 4. So guys, can I leave my final answer like this? Yes or no? Boleh tak saya tinggal jawapan macam ni dalam exam? The rest? Yes or no? Boleh ke tak jawapan macam ni? Okay, the answer is actually dia tak salah lah dari segi matematik. Okay, it's not wrong mathematically, but in terms of how we want to present the answer is not so nice lah. Okay, mengapa dia tak sangat bagus? Sebab kamu nampak pecahan ni. Biasanya kita tak mau tulis jawapan ungkapan kuadratik yang ada pecahan. Faham tak? We don't want fraction in our quadratic equation. So how we can get rid of the fraction? Macam mana hapuskan pecahan? Darab 2 lah pada semua ungkapan. Okay, times 2 to every term. So then, this is your answer lah. Ini jawapan dia. 2x square minus 5x minus 8 equals 0. Okay, are you clear guys? Question A, boleh dapat macam mana buat semua proses dia? Yang ni memang soalan standard lah. Yang NMATS kamu kena tahu. Selalu keluar. Very standard question. Tak ada apa-apa baru. Okay? Wait, just now people said something, right? Let me see. Oh, I did minus instead of plus in exam. Oh, your formula is it? Kai. If formula wrong, then very hard lah. That's why guys, be careful. When you memorize your formula, right? Make sure you memorize correctly. Hafal formula tu dengan betul. Always. Okay, so now you have this equation. Okay, keyword. Dua punca nyata dan sama. Two real and equal root. Okay guys, what is the formula? Very straightforward lah, this question. So apa kamu boleh tulis? This one is about discriminant lah. Pembeza layan. Equal lah. Guys, the keyword is equal roots. Sama. Punca yang sama. Yes. If you see the word equal, confirm equal to 0 lah. Kena sama dengan kosong. Okay? Are you clear guys? So now you just substitute lah. Gantikan dari persamaan ni. So 6x minus 9x square and then minus m minus n equal to 0. Okay. So your equation will get negative 9x square plus 6x minus m minus n equals 0. Okay, so guys, will we direct substitute from this equation all the value? Adakah kita akan gantikan semua nilai ni ke dalam dari sini? Yes or no? Okay, very good. Okay, usually in quadratic, right? Kita nak selalu A kita sama dengan 1. Faham tak? Okay, we always want to let the A equal to 1. Maksudnya perkali bagi x square tu sama dengan 1. Coefficient of x square always 1. Always positive. Sorry, not 1 kena positive. Okay, nombor yang positif. Alright, so that's why we times negative to the whole equation. So 9x square minus 6x plus m plus n equal to 0. I just modify the equation only dengan darab seluruh persamaan dengan negatif. Okay, because negative 9, positive 9. Okay, so now just substitute lah, gantikan semua nilai. Okay, so A equal to 9, B equal to negative 6, C equal to m plus n. Okay, so when you sub, you will get like this. Okay, and then read back the question. They ask you express m in term of n. Kena ungkapkan m dalam sebutan n. Maksudnya semua M kat kiri, semua N kat kanan. Okay, throw all your N to right hand side, left hand side only M. Okay, are you clear guys? This question? Boleh dapat? Soalan 3? Dah habis Question 3. We done already. Simple lah guys. 6 markah ni boleh score juga. Very straightforward. 6 marks. Okay, so now we come to the next question 4. So question 4 is on janjang guys. Siapa tak suka janjang? Form 4 chapter 5. Penting guys. Maths for janjang. Always like to come out hard question in maths. Janjang ni. Always kebat. But this question is not kebat lah. This question is quite easy. Okay, so for this one, they say the 7th term is 3 times the 6th term. Okay, geometric. Janjang geometry. First important information. Okay, so 7 3 kali ke 6. So 3 7 equal to T3 T6. Zenkai, wow, you're so active chatting in the group. I can see the messages coming out so fast. Okay, so next one. How do you find the common ratio, guys? Macam mana cari nisbah sepunya? Oh, it's not you, it's me. Okay, so T7 over T6 equal to 3. Sama dengan 3. So guys, this is our common ratio, nisbah sepunya. Faham? So this you get one information already. Okay, one other information. Okay, the question is, you must show S4 equal to 10 S2. Kamu kena buktikan yang ni guys. Okay, this is a showing question. Okay, so now, how do we start? Macam mana nak mula yang ni? You must think and see now. Okay, so basically you can just use the formula lah. Guna rumus untuk Sn for geometric. So Sn equal to A. Okay, now guys, Rn minus 1 or 1 minus Rn? Tell me, yang mana kamu akan guna? This one or this one? This is the question now. Mana yang betul kat sini? You have to choose one only. Kena pilih satu. So anyone? Okay, sama-sama. Yes, very good. Rn minus 1. Okay, why? Because look at your common ratio guys. Okay, nisbah sepunya kamu is greater than 1. R lebih besar dari 1 means that R minus 1. R tolak 1. If less than 1, 1 minus R. Kena faham konsep dia. Okay, why do we do like this? Is because we don't want negative value. Kita tak nak nilai negatif. That's why kalau R lebih besar dari 1, R minus 1. So selalu akan positif jawapan dia. If less than 1, 1 minus R, selalu juga positif. So we don't want negative. Because biasanya sum kena positif lah for our syllabus. Usually we want the sum to be a positive answer. Okay? Alright. So now, just substitute lah. Okay, gantikan semua nilai. So A value, tak tahu, tak apa. Okay, tinggalkan. So 3N. Okay, so N, kita nak buktikan S4, right? So you substitute 4 lah. Minus 1 over 3 minus 1. Okay, this is the first part. Okay, so this is S4. Okay, then you can also find S2. So S2 equal to A, 3 square minus 1 over 3 minus 1. Okay, guys, time to count your value. Cari nilai dia. Okay, so you will have my 4. Okay, so this one is 40A. And then this one should be, let me see. Okay, you will get 8 over 2, 4A. Okay, guys. So S2 4A, S4 40A. Okay, so guys, do you prove it? Adakah kamu dah buktikan? Yes lah. Sama tak guys? Sama kan? 40A equal to 40A. That's all. Itu saja. Kamu dah buktikan. Rumus ni adalah betul. Okay? So this is how you can score 3 mark. Okay, so you just need to show all this. Okay? Clear? Boleh dapat guys? 4A? Any problems? Admaths easy lah guys. Admaths tak susah punya. Senang saja untuk score. Okay, so next question. Yang ni trial Mrsm tahu. Jangan main-main. Mrsm biasanya soalan pengubal soalan SPM dari sini. Mrsm untuk semua subjek. Mrsm memang kertas dia kena buat punya. Okay, so now kite. Okay, so you have a kite and then they are telling you it is geometric. Okay, mereka sangat bagus kat kamu. Mereka bagi tahu juga rumus untuk kira luas lelayang. Actually, you guys study in modern maths, right? How to study, how to count area of kite. This is the formula. Half times product of length of two diagonal. Ini rumus dia. Okay, so now, okay, so what else? Okay, so they say each subsequent kite half of the measurement. So guys, what is the common ratio? Tell me. They say half of the previous measurement. Hey, wait guys. The separuh tu setengah lah, betul. Yeah, 1/2, yes. Okay, so basically, wait guys. Let me see. Is that, guys, separuh dalam BM tu 1/4 atau 1/2? Saya pun confused. Sebab setengah, maksudnya 1/2 lah. Separuh also 1/2 Hey, let me think suku separuh. Separuh also half, right? But don't know why. Let me see Jawapan bagi tahu common ratio is 1/4. Wait let me think and see. Oh, okay. Understand. Because they are talking about the area, guys. I forget tadi. Mereka nak bincang pasal luas. Yes, correct. Okay, the half is actually for the length, okay, of the diagonal, the measurement of the diagonal. Okay, so diagonal means this one lah, okay, and this one. This is diagonal. So half. So this one 25, 50 divide to 25, and then this one is 22.5. Okay, so now you must count the area, guys. Kena cari luas. Okay, because the question say the area of the kites, keyword, form the progression. Luas lelayang membentuk janjang. Bukan panjang tu bentuk janjang. That is the difference. Okay, so you can count and see half times 45 plus 50. Okay, just use the, product, hasil darat. So it's 45 times 50. Okay, so answer, press calculator, so you will get, yes, 1125. Okay, this is for the first one, pertama. Second one, okay, you count and see. Okay, so that one is your A term lah, guys. Sebutan pertama, 1125. Okay, so for this one, you will get 281.25. Okay, so guys, now you can count the common ratio. Cari nisbah sepunya. So T2 over T1 equal to R. So equal to 281.25 bahagi 1125. Okay, so what is the answer? Okay, so you should get, you will get 1/4. 1/4. Okay, guys, do you understand? Boleh faham? Okay, so state the first term common ratio. Okay, so this is the answer. So A equal 1125, R equal 1/4. All right, so next one. They ask you to find the sum of infinity. Hasil tambah ketak terhinggaan. Okay, very simple, guys. Tell me, what is the formula to count as infinity? Apa rumus dia, guys? Coba ingatkan saya. Yes, very good. Okay, A over 1 minus R. Okay, so just substitute jawapan kat sini. Okay, gantikan saja. So you will get 1125 over 1 minus 1/4. So final answer, wait, you will get 1500. 1500. Okay, are you clear, guys? Soalan janjang, any problem? Dah habis soalan keempat. Okay, settle tadi janjang. Okay, so next question Okay, so question number 5. Okay, question 5 is your favorite, guys. Trust me. Soalan 5 ni lah yang paling senang. What chapter, guys? Tell me. Kalau kamu nampak macam ni, bab ni apa? This one also form 4. Form 4, chapter 3. Yes, your system of equation, guys. Sistem persamaan. Yang ni guys. Kalau kamu tak dapat 6 markah ni memang rugi, guys. Betul-betul rugi. You lose a lot if you don't get the 6 mark. Because it's like 3 mark, guys. Sangat senang. Okay, what you need to do? Simultaneous equation lah. Persamaan serentak saja. Okay, so you have equation of curve. You want to find titik persilangan, intersection point. So just simultaneous lah. Okay, but first over here there is a catch. Okay, you have to find the equation of the straight line. Kamu kena bentuk yang ni dulu. Okay, because they never give you. Okay, so first step, of course, find gradient. Okay, so your kecerunan you will get -2. Okay, and then pintasan y, -2. So y equal to negative 2x minus 2. Okay, so boleh dapat guys, macam mana saya cari persamaan? Yang ni senang lah, very simple. Okay, so now you have two equation. So what do you do guys? Dua persamaan. What is your step to solve simultaneous? Kamu kena gantikan persamaan linear dalam persamaan bukan linear. Always substitute linear inside non-linear. This is the process. Okay, so negative 2x minus 2 equal to x squared plus x minus 12. Okay, so now you can solve the quadratic. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, so for x, kamu akan dapat macam ni. So x equal negative 5, x equal to 2. Okay, so guys, over here, right, you have two answer. Ada dua nilai x. So guys, will you accept both value? Adakah kamu akan terima dua-dua nilai ni? Yes or no? Negative 5 and 2. Yes or no? The rest? Do you accept both? Adakah terima dua-dua? Yes. Okay, of course you will accept guys, because you are finding two coordinates. So confirm kena terima dua-dua lah. So you just see the position of the coordinate. Nampak kedudukan. So Q negative lah untuk X. R positive for X. So then you can get the answer D. Okay, bila dapat X, gantikan balik. Substitute back inside here, this equation, untuk calculate your Y. Okay, so are you clear guys? This question 6 marks is like free lah for you guys. Take the 6 free mark. Okay, all right. So next one, question number 6. Soalan ke-6. Okay, so question 6 is your worst chapter guys. After the easiest chapter is the worst chapter. This one is your 3 go guys. Form 5 chapter 6. Okay, a lot of people tak suka buat soalan ni. A lot will skip. Nightmare, right? Okay, don't worry. It's not that hard. Tak sangat susah, don't worry. Okay, come. We see the question together. My favorite chapter, wow. Your favorite chapter means always full mark lah, this chapter. Especially proving. Oh, I see. Okay, so now, you have to prove guys. Kamu kena buktikan. So 2 marks. Okay, so how guys? Do you start from left hand side or right hand side? May I know? Nak mula dari kiri atau kanan? Yeah, win. It's a big win. If you can answer this chapter, right guys, your chance of getting A or A plus is very high. Because usually the hardest question is always this chapter. Soalan paling susah dari bab ni saja, bukan bab lain. So if you can answer right, you are in a good position to score for SPM. Yes. Okay, you start from left hand side. Okay, belah kiri. Okay, so why do we start from left hand side? What is the reason guys you choose left hand side? There always must be a reason one when you do maths. So kenapa kamu pilih kiri? Yes, very good. More complex looking guys. So whatever is more complex, you start from there lah. Okay, so you will get. Okay, so first secant theta. Okay, so how to change this guys? May I know? You must change. Kena tukar. So you need to use identity. Yes. Okay, so you will get 1 over cos. Wait. Okay, so 1 over cos theta minus sine square theta over cos theta equal to cos theta. Okay guys, can you see something here? What can you do now? Apa kamu boleh buat? Yes, same denominator, so you can combine. Very good. Okay, kamu boleh gabungkan. Okay, so you will get equal to cos theta. Okay, so now what can we do? Cos multiply lah. Okay, darab silang. So you will get cos square theta. So guys, do you still remember this identity? Masih ingat? identity asas ni, you will get cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So guys, have we proven already? Yes or no? Dah buktikan ke? Yes. Confirm kamu dah buktikan lah. Okay, because you arrive at this answer. Kamu dapat jawapan ni. So 1 equal to 1. This whole thing nilai dia 1 kan? So means that left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay? Faham guys? So you can prove like this also. Doesn't mean that you must get cos theta. Tak semestinya dari sini kamu kena dapat yang ni. Bukan. You can also show that like 1 equal to 1. So mean that you proven lah. Okay, kamu dah buktikan. This is another way. Okay? Are you clear guys? So you will get like this. So 2 marks only. 2 markah. Okay, clear? Okay, so next one. Next one confirm is the graph. We can turn, we can turn it to cos square before bring the cos there. Yes, can. That's another method. Can also. So guys, 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, right? So over cos theta equal to cos theta. So left hand side equal to right hand side lah. Okay, belah kiri sama dengan belah kanan. Okay guys, are you clear for question A? Simple lah. Okay, so next one, question B. Okay, so for question B, you must sketch graph. Okay, so who here don't know how to sketch graph? Siapa tak pandai lukis graph? Cepat. You must understand guys, how to sketch this graph. Okay, you have 3 marks over here. 3 markah. Okay, so first step, you see that it is similar, right, to the left hand side. Dia macam sama. But what is the difference here, guys? Can you all tell me? Apa yang berbeza? Kamu nampak? Yes, your angle is double up, guys. Okay, sudut kamu dah darab 2. Can you all see? So means that belah kanan pun kena darab 2 lah. Cos 2 theta. If left hand side times 2, right hand side times 2. So means that mereka sebenarnya nak suruh kamu lukis y equal to cos 2 theta. That's all. So senang kan guys, lukis graph ni. This is so basic. Modern maths pun kamu belajar guys. Am I right? You must know how to draw this graph. Okay, so how? You use the range. Okay, guna domain yang diberikan. So 0 until 2 pi. So you can always draw the table. Okay, lukis jadual nilai. Okay, so example, you can have x, y, okay, 0, and then yang basic punya lah, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270, and also 360. Okay, do you all understand? So you just need to substitute lah, gantikan semua nilai ni dalam persamaan. Okay, sub all the value one by one inside the theta to find the y value. Okay, so you can plot all these points. Plot semua titik ni. So you will have 5 points in total. Okay, then you guys just connect the point lah. Sambung saja. That's all. If they only ask us to draw until pi, means erase half. Yes, correct lah. Okay. You can also, depends on your domain. Your domain now is 0 until pi, right? Based on your question. So you just substitute 0, pi over 2, pi inside the equation here. If you want to sub more point also can. Pi over 4 can. And then what else? 3 over 4 pi. As long as inside the range. Kamu boleh ganti semua titik ni. Okay? Are you clear guys? Boleh? So it really depends on you one. As long you get the correct shape. Dapat bentuk yang betul, maksudnya betul lah. Okay, so you can see over here. First mark, you have to have a cosine graph. The overall shape lah, bentuk keseluruhan mereka nampak. Okay, second, 2 cycle, 2 kitaran, another mark. Okay, and then the last mark is the amplitude. Amplitude kena 1. Okay, so how you see amplitude? This is 1 lah. Okay, amplitude dia 1. Nampak? Dari titik keseimbangan. Bukan titik, sorry. Kedudukan keseimbangan. Okay, equilibrium position. This is what we call as equilibrium position. Or in simple word, is just midpoint lah guys. Titik tengah graph. But if complex a bit, the fancy word is called equilibrium position. Okay, clear? Boleh dapat guys? So this is for question B1. Okay, so now question B2. So question B2, you have to use your graph. Okay, so straight line y equal to m theta minus 1 does not meet the graph. Tidak bertemu graph. So they want you to find the range. Cari julat m. Okay, and then the domain pi until 2 pi. Okay, so guys, how do we solve this? Can you all tell me? Macam mana kita nak selesaikan yang ni? It's a good question. Soalan yang bagus. So tell me, how? Macam mana? So you need to see your graph lah guys. Okay, so they say pi until 2 pi, right? Okay, Sada, I just rub everything. Okay, so they say does not meet the graph. Okay, so y equal to m theta minus 1. Okay, maksudnya pintasan y adalah yang ni lah for the straight line. And then satu lagi titik kita tak tahu. We don't know. But then they say it does not meet the graph. Dia takkan temu graph punya. So macam mana? How? Think and see guys. So if you draw like this, means that it meet the graph, right? Dia bertemu graph. Kalau kamu lukis macam ni, dia temu graph. Lukis macam ni, temu graph. So how? Straight lah. Horizontal guys. So means that your line must be a horizontal line. Dia kena mendata. Okay, so how to make your line mendata? Your y value must be 1 lah. Okay, kena sama dengan 1. Okay, so 1 equal to, sorry I must write in range. Okay, so y equal to m theta minus 1. So guys, m theta minus 1 kena lebih besar dari apa guys? Tell me. Should be greater than what? Greater than berapa? Kalau dia tak nak silang graph, if it doesn't want to intersect, greater than 1 lah. Okay, because if your line is like this, it does not cut the graph. Dia tak potong graph. Faham guys? Do you get it? Or if your line is over here, sorry, greater, right? So means like over here. Tak potong graph. Okay? So then, kamu kena gantikan titik sajalah. Okay, just substitute the point. Okay, so they say pi until 2 pi, right? So you can substitute m pi minus 1 greater than 1. Okay, so you can find your range for m. So inilah julat m lah. M greater than 2 pi. Okay, but is this the only answer guys? Adakah ini jawapan dia saja? Yes or no? Think and see. Okay, so what else can we do? Apa lagi kita boleh fikir? What other answer is possible over here? So you can think of less than negative 1. Okay, let me think. Less than, yes, correct. Very good. Okay, less than negative 1. Because if your line over here, it does not touch the graph. So there's two situations, above and below. So that's why you will have two answers. Dua jawapan. So m theta minus 1 less than negative 1. So m theta less than 0. So m less than 0. Tak kira apa-apa nilai theta, 0 divide theta, confirm answer is 0 lah. Okay, 0 bagi apa-apa nombor pun kosong. So guys, this is our answer. Okay, do you understand guys? Boleh faham? Do you get it? How to get the answer? So this is our answers. Common sense lah guys. Dia adalah pengetahuan asas saja. Okay, just interpret the question correctly. So this is your 3 go. So guys, can you all score 7 mark? Especially those people say you love this chapter. Suka sangat bab ni. 7 markah ni senang lah guys. Very simple to score. Okay, try lah. Try your best. Okay, so now we come to the last question for section A. Okay, so this one is on what is this? Okay, differentiation, pembezaan, Form 5 chapter 2. And I think they combine also, Form 5 chapter 3. So chapter 3, chapter 2, satu soalan. So this is chapter 2 and also chapter 3. Okay, so now they ask you find the equation of t in term of t. So guys, kamu ada persamaan ni. You only have this equation. So how do we solve question 1? Can anyone tell me? Macam mana selesaikan soalan 1? Dia nak T dalam sebutan T. Yes, very good lah. Integrate. Kamikan dua-dua belah bersama ni. Yes. Kamu kamikan terhadap apa guys? Boleh saya tahu? You integrate towards what? You integrate towards dt besar atau dt kecil? Mana yang betul? T besar atau T kecil? Yes, T kecil lah. Sebab kamu nampak bahagian kanan T kecil kan? So confirm T kecil lah. Okay? Alright. So you just need to integrate. So first step, you bring the power on top. So negative. Okay, kuasa positif bawah atas negatif. So you need to integrate this one. Very simple lah. Negative 70 T plus 1 kuasa negatif 1 bahagi kuasa baru. Okay, do I stop over here guys? Yes or no? Adakah saya henti kat sini? What else should I do? Okay, so what? Apa kena tambah lagi? Yes, very good. You must differentiate the bracket guys. Don't forget selalu kena bezakan kurungan. Tapi kat sini tak ada apa-apa lah. Satu saja. You bezakan T plus 1 satu. Okay, what else? Ada apa-apa lagi kena buat? No need to integrate in bracket Who said? No need. You can direct one shot. Do like this. Faster. No need to do step by step. One shot. Okay, anyone else? What else I need to do guys? Jawapan saya masih tak lengkap. What do I need to do? Think and see guys. Apa lagi saya lupa? Yes, guys, a lot of people forget this Kesilapan sangat-sangat lazim. Banyak orang akan lupa tambah C guys. So don't forget, must plus C. Okay, so why plus C? Kenapa kena tambah C? Soalan ni? Kenapa? What type of integration is this? No limit, right? Tak ada had. So bila tak ada had, kena tambah C. Yes. A lot of people forget. Okay, bukan sebab dia tak tahu, sebab dia rush nak buat soalan. So that's why dia lupa yang tu. Just because of time pressure. Okay? So just don't forget lah, plus C. Okay, so now you have to find the C lah. Kamu kena cari nilai C. Okay, so you have the information 180. So T sama dengan 180. And then apa lagi? Okay, so guys, T equal to 180. So T kecil berapa guys? Can you all tell me? 180 is left to cool. Dia dibiarkan untuk menyejuk. So kecil T tu berapa? Nilai dia. Anyone? T besar 180. So T kecil? Think and see guys. PK. How much is your small T? Anyone? T kecil berapa guys? This value. How much? T equal to 180. So T kecil? 1 Are you sure? Guys, see the question carefully Nampak soalan betul-betul. T is the masa yang diambil bagi proses penyejukan. T is the time taken for the cooling process. So guys, at T equal to 180, does the process start? Adakah proses penyejukan dah mula? Yes or no? They say it's left to cool. Dia dibiarkan untuk menyejuk. So apa nilai T guys? What is your small T? Yes, of course 0 lah guys. Kosong. Proses penyejukan tak mula lagi. It never start to cool. Yes. Okay, that's why T equal to 0. So kamu gantikan sajalah. Okay, and then find your C value. Okay, so this one is your final answer. Jawapan akhir. Okay, are you clear guys? Boleh dapat? So this is 7A1. Okay, so next one, 7A2. So 7A2, calculate the minimum time taken to exist in SAW rate. They tell you an information guys. Iodine exists as liquid when the temperature is above 113. Kalau melebihi 113. Okay, yang ni sifat kimia lah. Okay, chemical property. This one is a fact. fakta. So kamu tak boleh kata mengapa macam tu. Memang kamu kena terimalah 113. Okay? So they ask you to find the minimum time. Okay, so how? To exist in a solid state. So basically, solid will change to liquid lah guys. Okay, now I come a chemistry teacher, cikgu kimia. So guys, what is this process? May I know? Solid to liquid. Proses apa berlaku? Tell me. Kamu kena faham situasi dia. Baru boleh jawab soalan ni. Walaupun ni admits. Yes, melting right? Ice melt, become water right? Kalau ice tu cair datang air. So this is process peleburan, melting. Okay, so you can actually form the equation. Okay, just now you guys got equation, right? This one. So 70 over t plus 1 plus 110. So guys, they say they want to maintain in solid state. And they say melting point, tadi mereka bagi tahu kan takat lebur 113. So guys, tell me, my symbol should be like this or like this? Yang mana betul guys? Which one is correct? Saya nak dia dalam solid. I want it in solid state. So should be less than or greater than. This one must use chemistry knowledge guys. Kalau kamu tak ada common sense kimia, kamu tak boleh jawab. Yes. So memang kena lebih kurang lah atau sama dengan baru dia tak cair. Boleh faham? So guys, unique right? This question. Soalan ni memang unik. Because it not only tests you maths, it tests you science knowledge. Dia uji pengetahuan science. So science combined with mathematics. So science is always related to maths one. So kalau kamu faham science, boleh jawab maths. Faham maths, boleh jawab science. It's connected. Because 113 already melting. Yes, correct. So you just need to solve for t lah guys. Selesaikan saja. Okay, so 70 over t plus 1 less than equal to 3. Okay, and then cross multiply 3t plus 3 greater than or equal to 70. So 3t greater than 67. So t greater than 67 over 3. Okay, so this is the answer guys. Are you clear? Boleh dapat soalan ni? Okay Alright. So next one. Question number B. Okay, question B 5 markah guys. 5 marks. A lot. Okay, so they tell you manufacturing cost. Okay, this one completely different question. Soalan berbeza. Okay, so this one they give you the function CX. Okay, and then selling price and profit. So mereka bagi tahu harga jualan dan keuntungan. Okay, so they ask you by using differentiation method, kaedah pembezaan, can he achieve the target? So target maksudnya profit lah 200,000. So guys, what should we do over here? Kita kena buat apa kat sini? What is the concept over here? Anyone? Can think and see? Macam mana kita boleh cari yang ni? This one also common sense guys. Question ni memang daily life application punya. Okay, but kamu kena aplikasikan dalam situasi harian. So anyone? What should I do? Kena buat apa guys? First step, tell me. You have to think and see guys. Kamu kena fikir macam mana jawab. Sebab kalau saya bagi tahu kamu, kamu takkan fikir punya. dc over dx. Okay. Good point, tapi tak betul. Differentiation, yes. Tapi, boleh tak kita bezakan fungsi ni secara terus? Itu soalan dia guys. Can we differentiate CX directly? Yes or no? You must see guys. The question asks you, adakah dia capai sasaran? Does he achieve the target? So target tu berkenaan profit tau, keuntungan. Tapi adakah yang ni keuntungan? Yes or no? CX ni keuntungan ke? Bukan kan? Dia adalah manufacturing cost, cost pembuatan. So means that kamu kena ubah Y bersama ni. You need to form an equation for profit, PX. Kamu bagi simbol PX for keuntungan. Okay? So how do you find profit guys? Common sense. Macam mana kamu cari keuntungan? So your information is manufacturing and selling cost. Common sense. Pembuatan dan penjualan. Yes. Selling minus cost, right? So that is how you can get profit. So confirm kamu jual pada harga yang lebih tinggi lah. So that kamu boleh dapat profit daripada kos pembuatan. Okay. So PX equal to selling. So selling guys, 100 per piece. So satu keping RM100. So sekarang X keping. So maksudnya 100X lah. Okay, 100X is your total for selling price. Okay, so 100X minus seluruh yang ni. Faham? So you take PX sama dengan 100X minus CX. Okay, so kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, so you must simplify lah. Okay, simplify persamaan dia. So you will get 0.0025 X square plus 50X plus 100,000. Okay, now this is PX guys. So what should we do now? Kena buat apa sekarang? We already get PX. So next, apa konsep dia? Kita nak tentukan dia capai target tak? Nilai 200,000 tu. So how to find? Kita kena cari PX kan? We must find the PX value. So how to find PX value? So you must understand that profit, the keyword over here is profit guys. Keuntungan. So profit is actually a maximum value. Do you agree with me guys? Keuntungan ni sesuatu yang maksimum kan? Sebab keuntungan tu kamu dapat. You get extra money. So it's actually a max. So guys, whenever you want to find maximum or minimum, kamu buat apa dalam maths? Nilai maximum, nilai minimum. Tell me. Differentiation, right? So differentiation, pertama atau kedua? First order or second order differentiation? Salah. Okay. Bukan. Kamu tak perlu buat second order guys. First order cukup. Sebab dia tak suruh kamu tunjukkan dia adalah maximum atau minimum. Faham tak? Soalan suruh tengok kamu capai target saja. Just whether you achieve the target. So first order cukup. Understand? Just first order. Okay, so you just differentiate the equation. So you will get, wait, let me see. Oh, sorry. This one is negative, guys. Saya tulis silap. It's a negative value here. So PX equal to negative. Okay, so bezakan. So you will get 50 minus 0.005x. Okay, then apa anggapan guys? dP over dx equal to sama dengan apa? Maximum minimum. So equal to, what's the concept? Yes, ingat guys, sama dengan kosong. Equal 0. Okay, so then cari nilai x lah. Okay, so x value kamu akan dapat 10,000. So after get x, ganti balik dalam persamaan P. Okay, substitute at the x. 100,000 tak negatif Wait 100,000. Oh, yang ni ke? Oh, yang ni saya rasa silap kot. Ada satu lagi kosong guys. Is 100,000. They forget 10. Okay? Boleh faham guys? There is an extra 0 because the question say 100,000. Okay? So, understand? Boleh dapat? I think this one is plus It's not minus, plus. Okay? Wait. Sat. Sorry guys. This one is supposed to be negative. Yeah. Correct. Negative guys. Betul. Tapi kena tambah satu kosong ke belakang. Okay? Are you clear guys? Sorry I explained wrongly. This one is negative. Okay? Boleh dapat guys? Are you clear? This one positive. 100x minus 50x. Okay? So you will actually get the answer 150,000. So means that kamu tak capai target lah, because target 200,000. Okay, so this is how you guys can show. Ini cara kamu buktikan. 5 marks 5 markah. Okay? Clear guys? Section A dah habis Bahagian A dah habis. Okay? Clear? Semua soalan bahagian A? Clear? Okay, so now bahagian B kamu ada 4 soalan kan? 4 question. So 4 question you only need to choose 3 for section B. So guys, kamu bagi tahu saya soalan mana yang kamu nak saya bincang. Pilih 3 saja. Okay, so yang ni 8 vector. Okay, lepas tu probability 9. Lepas tu 10 pengamilan, integration. Okay, and then number 11 linear law. Okay, so kamu bagi tahu saya what number you all want. 3, type 3 nombor, saya ikut majority. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, wah, semua ada kombinasi. Some more people, I need majority. Okay, so far majority 8, 9, 11 lah. 8, 9, 10. Okay, 8, 9, 11 lah, I think. Wait. Okay, comment lagi. I think 8, 9, 11 lah. Majority, yes. 1, 2, 3, ya. Banyak. 8, 9, 11. Okay, so I go 8, 9, 11 lah, guys. Can? 8, 9, 11 boleh ya? Okay. So 8, 9, 10, 10 saya rasa boleh ikut pengamilan. Okay. Baru tadi kita lihat. Okay. 7B ya. Okay, this one. Okay. Alright. So question 8 guys. So question 8 is on vector. Okay, so siapa tak suka vector? Form 4 chapter 8. Okay, so this one. PQ equal to 9U. Okay, so you label. Always right guys, for vector you just label the diagram. Bila dapat soalan saja label. And then PT equal to 6V. Okay, so now apa lagi? Okay, so SR equal to 2 over 3 PQ. Okay, so SR equal to 2 over 3 PQ 9U. Okay, so the answer is 6U. Okay, so you get another info. So this one 6U. Okay, so now you can see the question. Okay, express QT. Okay, so guys, how to find QT? QT sangat senang. You guys just focus lah on PQT. Okay, so this is the triangle. Okay, so you want to find QT. So QT equal to QP plus PT. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, so you have to reverse. Okay, kamu kena tambah negative. Okay, because we are going opposite direction. Okay, so your answer will get negative 9U plus 6V. Okay, clear? Soalan ni senang. Okay, and then A2. A2, the question asks you PR. Okay, so how to find PR, guys? Macam mana cari? PR is slightly more difficult. Okay, sorry. Still can. Tak susah. Still okay. Okay, so they tell you point T is midpoint of TS. So guys, tell me, what is the vector TS? TS dapat berapa? T itu titik tengah, guys. T is midpoint. So TS, how much? Anyone? TS, come on. What do you get? Kamu kena lebih interaktif guys. So TS kamu semua dapat berapa? Yes, V guys. Itu simbol V ya. Okay, 6V. Okay, so you can find PR lah. So PR equal to 6U plus 12V. Just combine. Okay, so your answer is 6U plus 12V. Okay, alright. So now question B. Okay, for soalan B, right? Always they ask like this in vector. They ask you to find H, ask you to find K. Okay, so always they will give you two information. So guys, what is the concept here? Does anyone know? Kita kena buat apa kat sini? Usually, right, when you see this kind of question, right, you will try to combine the vector. Kamu nak cari kombinasi vector, guys, over here. Okay, so what you can do is PW. Okay, so PW you can try to simplify. Okay, kamu pemudahkan PW. Okay, so PW is actually PQ plus QW. Am I right? So PQ 9U plus QW equal to KPR. Okay, so PR, just now we have the answer, right? Okay, so PR sama dengan, okay, where is the answer? Okay, so PR you guys get 6U plus 12V. Okay, wait guys. Okay, so 6U plus 12V. So 6U plus 12V. Okay, so now this is your first equation, guys. Persamaan pertama. Okay, so second, this information lah. Okay, kamu akan guna yang ni. So QW equal to H QT. So QW equal to H QT. So QT just now, jawapan refer to A. Okay, so A you get negative 9U plus 6V. Okay, so guys, boleh nampak sini guys, can you all see? QW, QW. So boleh buat apa guys? You see two similar thing. So you can equalize, samakan. So you can compare left hand side and right hand side. Okay, bandingkan kiri dan kanan. Okay, so you will actually get these two answer. Okay, so you can see 9 minus 9H, you can compare with 6K. Okay, over here they never show nicely. Mereka tak tunjuk dengan jelas. Wait guys, I try to write out. Okay, so K 6KU plus 12KV minus 9U. 12KV and then negative 9U over here. Okay, so this is QW and then negative 9HU, 6HV. Negative 9HU and 6HV. Okay, so guys, boleh nampak sini? Can you guys see it now? So you can compare the coefficient of U and V. Okay, bandingkan perkali U dan V. So negative 9 plus 6K equal to 9H. 12K equal to 9H. Two equation, dua persamaan. So this is how you can get the two equation. And then simultaneous lah. Okay, gunakan persamaan serentak. So then you will get the answer. Okay, clear guys? This question, boleh? Question B? Can Boleh guys? Okay, so next question. Okay, so for question C. Okay, question C is an addition. Okay, so they ask you, what is the shortest distance guys? Jarak terpendek W kepada PQ. So guys, whenever they ask you shortest distance guys, what are they trying to find? May I know? Mereka nak cari apa? Kalau mereka cakap jarak terpendek. At maths, this is a keyword guys. Shortest distance. Yes, remember guys, this is your shortest distance where you can get a perpendicular berserenjang. That is the shortest distance. Okay, or the height lah of the triangle. Ketinggian segitiga. We focus on this triangle. Okay, so you can use the formula lah guys. Half times base times height. Setengah kali tapak kali tinggi equal to 135 luas. Okay, so your base is 9U. So 9U, U, they already give you the information. 5 unit. So just substitute lah. Okay, so you will get 9U equal to 9 times 5. U equal to 5. So 45 lah. 45. Okay, so then you can solve 40. Okay, understand? Soalan ni senang. Very simple. Okay, are you clear guys? Question 8 dah habis Number 8 done already. Okay, so now we come to question 9, right? You all say number 9. Okay, so for question 9 is probability, kebarangkalian. Okay, so this one confirm binomial normal. Okay, so first part is normal from 5 chapter 5. Okay, so for this one, let me see. Okay, so mean M, standard deviation 0.12. Okay, so kamu boleh tulis macam ni lah. M and also 0.12 square. Okay, because parameter for normal is always mean and variance. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, and then 1.26 to 1.68 exported. Okay, so kalau dia dalam julat ni, dia akan dieksport. Kalau dalam julat ni, dia takkan dieksport. So cross, tick. So you can understand like this lah. Okay, so now they ask you the value of M when the percentage of a pineapple being chosen mass greater. Okay, so all the information got already. Okay, so you can form the equation lah guys. Bentukan persamaan. Okay, so they say probability X greater than 1.68 equal to 0.82%. Percent means per 100, per 100. So you just need to solve for nilai M lah. Okay guys, are you clear? So convert X score to Z score minus m over standard deviation 0.12 equal to 0.0082. So ini persamaan dia. Okay, so now guys, what should you do? Kena buat apa? Ujuk jadual lah. Refer the table for this value. Okay, so 1.68 minus m over 0.12 sama dengan, okay, 0.0082. What is the value you get? Okay, so you can see over here. Wait, okay, so 0.000082. Okay, where is it? Can you see guys? Nampak tak nilai ni? So guys, what is the Z score? May I know, can you tell me the answer guys? Kamu semua sangat senyap So quiet. So what's the Z score? Tell me. 0.0082. Betul ke? Nampak betul-betul? See your table carefully. Anyone else? What's your Z score? Yeah, 2.40 lah. Tak perlu banyak tempat perpuluhan guys. Z score only maximum 3 dp. Okay, Z score. Remember, 3 dp saja maximum. Okay, so you will get equal to 2.40. So just solve for m lah. Okay, so m value you should get 1.392 bila selesaikan. Okay, senang lah. Very simple. Okay, A2. Okay, so for question A2, probability pineapple is exported. Okay, so kalau dia nak export, kena dalam kawasan berlorek lah. So basically, you just find the probability of shaded region. Okay, cari kawasan berlorek. So 1.26. So this is the expression. Less than x, less than 1.68. Okay, kamu kena cari yang ni. Okay, so m value, we already got the answer. So m value is 1.392. So kamu boleh gantikan lah nanti. Okay, just substitute. So guys, when you have something like this, right, what is the concept that you all will use? Equal to 1 minus, right? 1 minus x greater than 1.68 minus probability x less than 1.26. Okay, ini konsep dia guys. If you want to find the middle, kamu ambil total probability 1 minus right hand side, tolak kanan minus left hand side, tolak kiri. So that's why macam ni lah. Okay, and then equal to 1 minus nilai ni dah ada 0.82%. So gantikan saja 0.0082 minus. Okay, probability x less than 1.26. Okay, so guys, kalau simbol dia macam ni, boleh tak kita rujuk jadual? Can we refer the table guys? Yes or no? Very good. Must change symbol guys. Okay, always remember, must point to the right hand side. Kena ke kanan symbol. So you can use the concept 1 minus PZ greater than 1.26. Okay, so 1.26, just rujuk jadual lah. Okay, so you can see 1.26. Okay, so 1.2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So nilai dia 0.1038. Okay, so you just minus lah 0.1038. Okay, so you will get minus 1 minus 0.1038. Okay, you can count this value lah guys. Cari nilai ni. So 0.1038 minus 82. Okay, so your answer should get, sorry guys, sorry. You cannot use this value. I didn't change to Z score yet. Sorry guys. Jawapan yang ni salah. Remember, you must change to Z score first. So 1.26 minus mean over standard deviation. Now only correct guys. Yang ni baru betul. Okay, so you need to count this value. Minus over 0.12. Okay, so it's minus PZ less than negative 1.1. Okay, now boleh rujuk jadual guys. So 1.1. 1.1. So kamu akan dapat 0.1357. Okay, can you all see it? Wait. 1 point, yeah, correct. 1.1. 0.1357. Okay. So, you just substitute lah. Okay, gantikan kat sini. And then, press calculator. 1357. Okay. Are you clear, guys? This question? Yes or no? Boleh dapat? So, your answer is 0.8561. Okay. Clear? Come on. I need some response, guys. Are you clear or not? Boleh faham ke tak? Faham ah? Betul-betul faham ah? Okay, so the answer is this one. Okay, so 2 marks. 2 markah. Okay, so next one. Question 3. So they want you to find the number of pineapple sold at the market. Okay, very simple. So guys, how to find the number? Macam mana cari nombor yang dijual? Tell me how. So the concept is probability of A equal to NA over NS. Am I right, guys? Kamu masih ingat kan rumus ni? Modern maths ke barang kalian? So you already have the probability. Okay, this is your answer. And then you have the total. Kamu ada jumlah. So guys, just substitute lah. 8561 equal to NA over 3000. So cari NA. Okay, so you just press calculator. So your answer will get, wait, did I press wrongly? Oh, sorry, local market. Okay, so if local market, you have to take 1 minus jawapan. Okay, read the question carefully ya guys. Okay, sebab soalan tanya pasaran tempatan, local market. Yang ni is overseas. So you have to take 1 minus overseas, kamu dapat local lah. Okay, so boleh tekan calculator. So you will get, okay, yes. Okay, so guys, my answer is actually 431.7. So guys, can I write my answer like this? Yes or no? Tell me. Boleh tunjuk jawapan macam tu ke? Kalau dia tanya bilangan nanas, number of pineapple. Okay, so what is my answer? Apa jawapan akhir dia? Think and see. 431 or 432? Mana yang betul? 431 atau 432? Okay, the answer right is actually both. Both also correct, guys. Dua-dua pun boleh diterima. Faham tak? So if you write 431 betul, 432 also betul. No problem. Kalau situasi macam ni, dua-dua pun boleh terima. Okay? So your answer is both. Okay? Are you clear? So inilah soalan taburan normal. Okay? And then this one confirm is binomial lah. Okay, so for binomial, okay, they say 20 out of 50 play football. Okay, so mean that T equal to 20 over 50, so 0.4. Okay, so nilai Q, you will get 0.6. And then nilai N, 50. Okay, so you have all the information. So now, kamu kena cari nilai N. Okay, so they say probability that no one like to play football. Oh, sorry guys. We cannot assume N is 50. Tak boleh anggap. Okay, because they ask you to find the N. Kamu kena cari N. So you guys just assume N tak ada lah. Okay, so probability X equals 0, 729 over 15625. Okay, so now you use your binomial formula. Guna rumus NC0 P power R Q power N minus R equal to this one. Okay, so you just solve lah guys. Selesaikan dan cari nilai N. Okay, just solve for your N value. So kamu akan dapat N equal to 6. Okay, semua ni 1. So kamu potong. Okay, this one, your answer is actually 3 over 5 power 6. Tekan calculator. Okay, you can actually get this answer. So kamu bandingkan kuasa lah. Compare the index. So N equal to 6. Okay, so next one. 9B2. Okay, so for B2, they want you to find the probability at least 2 do not like. Keyword guys, tak suka. So guys, bila mereka cakap tak suka, what must you do? You must switch the value guys. Kena tukar nilai. Because probability just now is for suka. So now the situation is like this. Kena tukar P and Q. Okay, so probability X greater than equal to 2. So you can use the concept 1 minus Px equals 0 minus Px equal 1. Okay, and then N tadi dah cari 6. So you just substitute lah in the formula. Okay, then press calculator, dapat jawapan. Okay, so this is the concept. So you can just see this one lah guys. Rujuk yang ni saja boleh. Itu saja. Yang ni semua tak payah nampak. So the answer is this one. Okay? Are you clear guys? This question? Boleh? Any problems? Clear? Probability boleh ya? Make sure 10 markah. Tak susah. Very simple. Okay, so we go question 11 sebab majority kata 11 tadi. Okay, so question 11 linear law. Ulang yang mana? Ulang yang binomial ke? Soalan 2 ke? B2. Okay. Kamu nak cari sekurang-kurangnya 2 orang tak main kan bola sepak. So sekarang tak main. Kamu kena ingat, ke atas ni dia cakap suka main. They like to play football. So maksudnya ini adalah kebarangkalian asal. So sekarang kena tukar. Sebab sekarang kebarangkalian kamu adalah tak suka main. That's why P sama dengan 0.6. Nilai Q jadi P, nilai P jadi Q. Faham? So then kamu guna konsep lah kebarangkalian. Okay, Px greater than equal to 2 equal to 1 minus sebelumnya lah 0.1. Itu saja. Okay? Boleh? Can soalan dia? Okay? Alright. So now soalan 11. Question 11. Okay, so for linear law guys, linear law very straightforward. Okay, basically kamu kena first step, kamu kena tengok jadual kamu lah. Okay, the table is the most important thing. Okay, so they ask you to, let me see. Okay, they never ask you to draw the table, but you should draw the table lah. It's easier. Lebih senang kalau lukis jadual. Okay, so they ask you log 10y against log 10x. So guys, tekan calculator sajalah. Okay, just press log 10 untuk semua nilai ni. Okay, so when you press calculator, you will get this answer. Okay, so make sure guys, jadual linear law, decimal place must be consistent guys. Kalau 2dp, 2dp untuk semua nilai x and y. Faham? Consistent Jangan tiba-tiba yang ni tulis 0.7. Salah. 1dp saja. Okay, must be consistent. 2dp. Okay? Clear? Yang ni semua technical aspect lah. Okay, bukan aspect mathematics, it's technical. Okay? So now you guys just need to plot the graph based on this one. Okay, so when you lukis graph, kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, so you can see this is best fit lah. 1, 2, 1, 2. So guys, nampak tak? Dia balance atas dan bawah. Can you all see guys? 2 up, 2 down. So this is best fit. Penyuaian terbaik. Okay, so you can see lah this graph. Okay, any question guys on the graph? Ada apa-apa yang nak tanya tentang graph ni yang kamu tak jelas? Okay, so for the graph, you can see how you can score lah. Okay, so you have 4 mark. 3 mark, 3 markah. So first step is you must draw the graph correct. Okay, paksi betul, skala seragam, all uniform, and then you plot the point correct, and then you draw the best fit line, garis lurus penyuaian terbaik. Okay, then you will score the full mark. Okay, kamu akan dapat markah penuh. Okay, clear guys for your graph? Boleh tak? Are you clear? Graph okay Okay, so now kamu kena cari nilai A dan K. Okay, so you just need to modify lah persamaan yang ni. Okay, so how to modify? Apa kamu buat guys? How to modify? What is your step? Usually pelajar tak tahu kat sini. Yes, just log lah both side. Okay, because kamu plot log kan. So confirm kena log lah both side. So log 10. So log 10 y over A. Okay, so now kamu guna hukum lah. Okay, so you will get K log 10x, okay, equal to log 10y minus log 10A. Okay, so this is your equation, persamaan kamu. Okay, so guys, tell me, what is your gradient value here? Apa nilai kecerunan based on the equation? Okay, very good. C value, nilai C dapat berapa? So you must just rearrange lah. So C dapat apa kat sini? Yes, log 10A lah, correct. So you can start to answer the question. Okay, so kita mula A. So A, refer y-intercept lah. So y-intercept, baca dari graph. So you will get 0.05678. Wait, yes. Okay, you can get 0.08 for C. Okay, but guys, you must understand, log 10A sama dengan C. So this is equal to 0.08. So kamu kena cari nilai A. So A equal to 10 power. Ini kamu tukar bentuk log ke bentuk index. Okay, you must know how to convert. So you will get 1.20. Okay guys, don't worry. Jawapan akan ada julat. There will be a range one. So this is not the final answer. Kamu boleh tengok kat sini. So you can see guys, as long your C value dalam julat ni, nilai A pun akan berubah lah. It will be a different answer. Depend on your C value. So asalkan C from 0.06 to 0.08, your answer is correct lah. Jawapan betul. Okay? Clear? So that's the concept. Okay, so next, kamu kena cari K lah. So K is kecerunan. So guys, how to find kecerunan? You must choose the point carefully ya. Kena pilih titik dengan hati-hati. So guys, always try to choose 2 points that are far away from each other. Pilih dua titik yang sangat jauh. Okay, you can choose the y-intercept. Boleh pilih pintasan Y. And then another point, kamu pilih, let's say yang ni lah. Okay, kamu boleh pilih yang ni. Jangan pilih titik yang kamu plot guys. Don't choose the point that you plot dalam jadual. Pilih titik yang lain atas garis. Faham? And then you just draw the triangle. Lukis segitiga besar. Okay? Can you guys see it? So make sure your triangle is as big as possible. Bagi segitiga tu nampak sangat besar. Baru nilai dia tepat. Okay? So your kecerunan should get 0.6042. Okay, and then this one also akan ada julat lah. There will be a range. Okay? Are you clear guys? Seluruh soalan ni boleh? Any problem? Linear law? So linear law memang kamu kena score 10 markah punya. Sebab senang. Very easy one. Sangat cepat boleh habis. Okay? Alright, so now we come section C guys. Okay, so for section C, saya akan jawab dua saja. So you guys bagi tahu saya lah. Okay, question 12, SOT. Question 13, linear programming. Question 14, index. Question 15, kinematic. Okay, so mana kamu nak? Okay, bagi tahu nombor guys. Lebih senang. 12, 13, 14, 15, kamu type dua nombor. Okay, majority 12, 14 So index and SOT guys. I think majority mau index SOT because you guys confirm will answer that in the exam. Okay, so we see solution of triangle. Okay, so for question 12, they ask you calculate the length of AD. Okay, so for AD, okay, so what is the rule guys that you're going to use? Apa petua dia? So you guys can wait, got other info. BC 4.4, BC equal to 2/3 BD. Okay, so you have to find BD first, guys. So 4.4 equal to 2/3 BD. Okay, so press calculator. So you will get 6.6. Okay, so this one is 6.6. Okay, now guys, you can tell already. So what is the rule, guys? Apa petua dia? Nak cari yang ni. Okay, so you can focus on this triangle. Focus yang ni. Okay. Okay, so you have 6.6, 9.12, sudut. Kamu nak cari yang tanda soal. So cos, sin, yang mana? Lebih senang. Which one is the easiest? Okay, the answer is cos guys. Kamu akan guna petua cosinus. Okay, why? Because you are finding the side over here. Kamu nak cari yang ni. Okay, so when you have two side and one angle, dua sisi satu sudut, selalu petua cosinus. Okay, just use cosine rule. Okay, so this is the answer. Substitute only. So formula is b square plus c square minus 2bc cos A. So you just substitute. Okay? Very simple lah guys. Senang yang ni. Okay, next one. They ask you to find BAE in degrees. It's okay, tak apa. Okay, so now guys, you want to find BAE. Okay, kamu nak sudut yang ni. Okay, so how? Betul apa? Nak cari BAE. Okay, this one you can focus on this triangle. Wait, I show you all. Okay, this triangle. Okay, so you want to find theta. So guys, apa konsep dia? Petua sinus or cosinus? This one very easy to see. Yes, you will use sine rule, right? Opposite side, opposite angle. Sisi dan sudut bertentangan. So petua sinus lah. Okay, so you just apply the sine rule. Then boleh dapat jawapan. Okay, so 27.92. Okay, that's why I say guys, SOT sangat senang untuk score. Kalau bahagian C kan memang kena buat SOT. You must go for solution of triangle. Very easy to score one. Straightforward soalan dia. Okay, now you need to draw the triangle. Kena lukis ABC. Okay, so we focus for ABC. Okay, so guys, biasanya lah dalam segitiga ni, kamu akan buat macam mana kalau nak lukis segitiga baru? How you guys gonna draw? So you focus over here, ABC. So konsep dia selalu saya kata segitiga sama kaki. Try to form an isosceles triangle. So guys, can you see? This is an isosceles triangle. So maksudnya kamu lukis yang ni lah. Okay, draw this triangle as your answer. So yang ni C prime, and then this one B prime, B prime, A prime, C prime. Nampak tak guys? Your answer. So this is your answer lah. That's all. Itu saja. Okay, and then they ask you to find ACB prime. Okay, so ACB prime maksudnya sudut yang ni lah. Okay, so how to find the angle guys? Macam mana cari sudut yang tu? Can you all tell me? ACB prime. Betul. Correct. So anyone? How to find? Macam mana cari? Just now we got this one, right? Kita dapat jawapan BAE. Okay, so BAE just now we got 27.92, right? This one 27.92. So guys, 48.3 kat sini maksudnya 48.3 sini lah, because isosceles triangle, segitiga sama kaki. So it's the same angle. Okay, so maksudnya this one 180 minus 48.3 lah. Okay, so jawapan dia berapa guys? How much? Cuba tekan. You will get 131.7. So guys, can you find the angle now? Boleh cari yang ni? Boleh. Okay, 180 minus these two value. Tolak dua jawapan ni. So you take minus 27.92. Yes. Okay, jawapan dia adalah 20.38. Okay, are you clear guys? This question? Yes or no? Boleh dapat? Can Okay, so continue. Okay, so question C. Calculate the area of triangle using Heron's formula. Okay, a lot of people don't know about this. Rumus Heron. Okay, so anyone know how the formula is? Masih ingat tak macam mana rumus Heron? You must remember guys, the formula. So the formula is A equal to S times square root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, inilah rumus dia. So guys, tell me, what does your S represent? S ni mewakili apa? Rumus 7. Yes, very good. Okay, basically it's semi-perimeter lah. So kamu ambil perimeter bahagi 2. That's all. Okay, semi-perimeter. So ABD. So you need to focus for ABD. Okay, kita ada semua panjang kan? Okay, tadi this one 6.6, 9.12. AD also kita dah cari. Okay, jawapan kat A. Okay, so kamu tambahlah semua. Okay, just add up all your answer. So yang ni tambah dengan yang lain. Okay, plus all the other length, divide 2, and then guna rumus. Use the formula. Okay, so this answer is actually 11.28 semi-perimeter. Okay, so then just substitute all the panjang one by one. And then tekan calculator, dapat jawapan. Okay, are you clear guys? SOT, any problems for SOT? Should be okay, right? Okay, so now we go to index. Last question. Soalan terakhir. Okay, so for index also very simple. Sangat straightforward. This one also should be 10 marks lah, guys. Very simple. Okay, so for this one, they ask you to count the price of ingredient P in 2018, if in 2022, 1210. Okay, so first, kamu kena rujuk yang ni lah, 1 to 1. 2022, 2018. So 1 to 1 equal to P 2022, maksudnya 1210 over P 2018, ini soalan dia, times 100 kali 100. Okay, so you just need to solve lah for P 2018. Okay, selesaikan saja untuk tahun yang tu. Okay, so you will get P 2018 equal to, tekan calculator. So you guys will get 1210 over answer. So you guys will get 10 ringgit, RM 10. Okay, this is for P 2018. Okay, clear guys? A1 boleh ya? This is the concept for A1. Okay, and then A2. So for A2, price of ingredient S 2022, 2020. Okay, so 2022, 2020 S. So guys, bila dia cakap 10% menyusut, maksudnya apa nilai dia? What is the value? 10% decrease. Yes, very good. Okay, remember guys, 10% decrease mean original 100 minus 10. So 90. So just form the equation lah. 90 equal to P 2022 over 2020, 15 times 100. Solve your equation. Okay, so answer kamu akan dapat 1350. Okay, inilah jawapan dia. Okay, alright. So soalan A habis. Okay, next one. Question B. Okay, so for question B, okay, ingredient Q 2020 to 2022 equal to percentage increase. Okay, so dia kata sama lah. Okay, so let me see. 2018 to 2020. Okay, so maksudnya yang ni. Oh, sorry. You have to compare this one, guys. Kena lihat yang ni. Okay, so guys, when they say 30% increase, what is the answer, guys? 30% increase. Yes, very good. So 100 plus 30 lah. So jawapan dia 130. Okay, so they say equal, sama. So means that tadi 100 plus 3M index equal to percentage increase from 2020 to 2022. So means that 130, and then you must find the index. Okay, kamu kena cari index. Wait Okay, because they want 2018 to 2020. Okay guys, so sekarang ada 3 tahun. You have 3 years. Okay, so this one 130, 100 plus 3M. So guys, how do you find 2020 to 2018? Macam mana cari yang tu? You guys must use chain rule lah, petua rantai. So usually you will take 130 times 130 over 100. This is the concept. Okay, because they said it is equal. So maksudnya, what is the meaning is the index of 2020 over 2018 is also 130. Dua-dua sama. Okay, because they say this one equal to this one. So just now you know 130, right? So sama lah 130. So usually to get the answer, we will take both of the index kali antara satu sama lain bagi 100 when you have 3 year, 3 tahun. Remember. Okay, so then selesaikanlah for M. Okay, so you will get M equal to 23. Okay, clear? Boleh ya? Soalan B guys, are you clear on it? Can respond a bit? Clear? Huh? Okay, so next one, soalan C. Okay, so for question C, calculate the composite. Okay, composite very easy. 2022 based on 2020. Okay, so just guna semua nilai ni lah. Okay, so this one 110, 130, no change, maksudnya 190. Okay, so you times, wait. Okay, kamu kalilah all the answer over here. Okay, and then kamu tambah semua. Plus all the answer and divide total weightage. Bahagi jumlah pemberat. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so this is the answer over here. So final answer akan dapat 112 composite index. Okay guys, clear? Boleh? Soalan C1. So you have 3 marks. Over here 3 marks. Banyak for a very simple question. Okay, last one guys. Terakhir dah. Okay, so they tell you 2020 is RM30 and then they tell you the total cost. 2022 is the one and then selling price. Okay, same concept macam tadi. Determine whether the profit can achieve or not. Okay, so means that kamu kena cari profit lah of 2022 based on 2020. Okay, so guys, how do we do this? Macam mana buat yang ni? Okay, just now we found an answer, right? The composite index yang ni 112 kan? So you can use the formula actually. Okay, so you can find the price. Okay, cari harga dia. Because now they are talking composite. The whole jar of sweet mean is composite index. Kubahan. The whole jar. So you can actually find how much is your profit. So profit is basically selling price minus cost price. Betul? Harga jual 40 minus harga cost. So harga cost just now, you get the composite is 112, right? So you can find it using the price index formula. Okay, guna rumus saja. Okay, to get the index. The price. Kamu nak cari P 2022. This value. Because 30 is for 2020. So you need to find for 2022. Okay, so now, adakah ini saja jawapan dia? Bukan, right? Okay, because this is for one jar. Satu balang saja. So now, we need to find what is the total cost in that year. Jumlah cost pembuatan. Okay, so how do you find that? So you must actually times the value over here. Kamu kena gantikan, darab nilai ni. Okay, times 26322.40. Okay, and then you need to divide this. Kena bahagi dengan nilai ni. Divide by 112 over 100 times 30. Okay, so why you do this step? Kenapa buat macam ni? This one over here. Okay, so kenapa macam ni? Sebab total cost yang tu kan. And then this cost is the cost for satu balang, one jar. Can you see guys? Produce a jar. A jar means one balang saja, satu balang. So that's why saya ambil total cost bagi cost satu balang. So saya dapat apa guys? Boleh saya tahu? What do I get? I get the number of jar, right? Saya dapat bilangan balang. Number of jar. So number of jar kali dengan cost ataupun keuntungan lah. Untuk satu jar, kamu akan dapat apa? Total profit lah guys. Am I right? Number of jar times profit for one jar, kamu dapat total lah keuntungan. So that's why proses dia macam ni. Do you understand guys? Boleh dapat jalan kira ni? Faham? So you just need to understand profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Keuntungan dapat daripada kos jualan tolak kos pembuatan. Inilah yang ditunjukkan kat sini. Faham? So kamu akan dapat jawapan dia tercapai lah. You will get achieved because seluruh nilai ni kamu akan dapat 50137.6, iaitu lebih besar dari target. Okay? Are you clear guys? Boleh dapat seluruh kelas hari ni? Rasa boleh score paper 2 ni? Senang kan nak score kertas 2? Tak susah guys. It's very easy untuk dapat 90 markah ke atas, over 100 for paper 2 lah. Dia sangat senang. Tapi pastikan kamu pilih soalan betul. Choose the question where you are strong. Pilih soalan yang kamu rasa boleh score, macam SOT 10 mark, index number 10 mark, linear law 10 mark, apa lagi, vector 10 mark. Kamu dah dapat 40 markah guys. Already 40 mark out of 100. So kena bijak lah pilih soalan. Okay? Alright. So itu saja guys. Terima kasih kerana join perbincangan selama 2 jam lebih dengan saya. Hopefully it help you guys. Harap dia bantu kamu kelas hari ini. Okay? So thank you very much. Good luck for SPM. 3 hari lagi. 3 more days. Keep on fighting. Thank you.